What's going on, sister?
Jesus is the only way.
You know Jesus not the correct name?
It's a translation. You know, Jehovah's not Jehovah, but Yahshua is not the correct name. It's taken as well.
This is the correct name right here, sister. The letter J wasn't invented until 1524.
That doesn't matter.
How does it not matter?
Because, okay, you know how you say Jesus in Spanish and you say Jesus in English? That's how.
No, it's not. The letter J wasn't around. You don't make no sense. You don't make no sense. It wasn't invented until 1524. So how could the name be Jesus?
Because that's the English translation.
He was a Hebrew.
So you're boiling it down
He
to
was a Hebrew.
You're boiling Jesus and what you believe down to a letter.
No, I'm telling you, he was a Hebrew. Jesus, you giving him an English name. He was a Hebrew. He was a Hebrew, sister.
Jesus was a Jew.
He was a Hebrew. Exactly, he was a Hebrew.
Then why do you celebrate Jewish holidays?
He was a Hebrew. He had a Hebrew name. He didn't have a American English name. Have a good day, sister. Have a good day, sister. Have a good day, sister. Have a good day, sister.
Well, you too.
Have a good day.
You too. So why did Jesus celebrate Jewish holidays?
What does that have to do with his name?
What does the letter J have to do with it?
Because it's not his name. If the letter J wasn't invented, how did it be Jesus?
Okay, Jesus' name is the Word. How about that?
What?
The Word.
The Word?
Yep, in the beginning there was the Word. The Word was made flesh.
Oh, man. Beat it, sister. Beat it, sister. Go ahead about your business. You don't know what you're talking about.
I know what I'm talking about.
No, you don't.
Very well.
No, you don't.
It doesn't matter whether
No, you
the letter
don't,
J
sister.
was made or
No,
not.
you don't, sister. You don't know what you're talking about.
It does not matter.
You do not know what you're talking
It
about.
does not matter if the letter J was.
And see, this is why women shouldn't be teaching. This is why women need to be quiet in the churches.
We ain't in the
This is
church,
why.
honey.
This is a church. I'm
We ain't
teaching.
in the church.
I'm teaching.
No,
That's
you
it.
have
And this is why. See, this is a prime example why women need to shut up.
And that's all
Just why. They need to shut up.
Oh, no, we don't.
This is why they need to shut
No,
up
we
in the
don't.
church.
This is why you need to stop preaching false stuff.
Yeah. Shut up. This is Job, chapter 37, and
Jesus is the only way. And it does not matter whether the letter J was created. I got all the proof to
this is Job, chapter 39, verse 17.
Okay.
Because the Most High hath deprived
And the
her
word
of
was
wisdom,
made flesh, and the
neither
word was
he departed her to understand. Because the Most High hath deprived her of wisdom, neither have he imparted her to understanding. Fat ass dummy. Damn dummy. Fucking loudmouth, boy. I'm telling you, boy. Fucking demon. Fucking demon. Fucking demon. You gon' crash with your fat ass. You gon' crash. Fat ass. Take your fat ass on. Take your fat ass on down the block. Fat ass demon. Fuck out of here. Fat ass demon. In Proverbs. Fat ass demon. You gonna say he was a Jew, he was a Hebrew, how the hell he gonna have a American English name then? Like you say Jesus, like you say, hey, what that got to do with it? So now his name Jesus? I tell you, boy, fucking women, man, need to shut the fuck up, man. Let me get this one. Proverbs, let me get this one. Salachy, Israel. That's why I ignore people. That's a prime example right there why I ignore people. This is why I ignore people and don't talk to people. fucking demon. Proverbs chapter 9 and 13. A foolish woman is clamorous. She is simple and knoweth nothing. Proverbs chapter 9 and 13. Why are you over here?
Because you're in public space.
Go about your way. 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 Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here.
This is a public space.
Get the fuck out of here.
This is a public space.
Proverbs chapter 9. Look at this demon, y'all. Look at this demon. Look at this. Don't touch my camera. Don't touch my camera. Back up off of my camera.
You touching me.
Back off of my camera.
You touching me.
Back away from my camera.
You touching me.
Back away from my camera. Back away from my camera, man. Yeah, I'm saying. I ain't doing nothing. I'm not bothering her. I'm teaching the scriptures. She come over here messing with me.
That's fine, but you put hands on me and you're gonna be lying. Yeah, because
you a demon.
This is what I did.
Get from the front of my camera.
Why are you worried about what he's doing? Why are you worried about what we're doing? You're worried about him. Why are you worried about us? Why are you worried about? Leave us alone. He's preaching.
She's a bugger. She a demon, brother.
No, I'm
She
not
a demon. She is a demon. She is a fucking demon.
No.
She is a fucking demon, brother.
Your teacher,
She's a demon.
Your teacher,
A fucking demon.
Your teacher, I'm not a demon.
You are a demon.
No, you're a liar.
Proverbs chapter 9 verse 13. A foolish woman is clamorous. She is simple and knoweth nothing. Proverbs chapter 9 verse 13. A foolish woman is clamorous. She is simple and knoweth nothing. Proverbs chapter 9 verse 13. A foolish woman is clamorous. A foolish woman is clamorous. She is simple and knoweth nothing. Fucking demon, boy. Fat ass fucking demon, man. Fucking ridiculous, man. She about to crash. She looking like she had 5 whoppers before she came her ass over here. Proverbs chapter 9, verse 13. A foolish woman is clamorous. She is simple and knoweth nothing.
But guess what? You're a liar.
Yeah. Proverbs chapter 9, verse 13. A foolish woman is clamorous. She marked herself. That's all she did. She fucking marked herself. Oh, damn demon. Fucking demon. Fat ass. Salachy, Israel. That's the first time that happened. I don't know if she was Spanish or she was an Edomite. I don't know what she was. But for sure she was a demon. Y'all see that shit? Y'all see that shit, yo? Y'all see that, Israel? Yeah, the damn demon, bro. Yeah. Hey, Shalom and during these last days. You see that shit, brother? That damn demon, man. That damn demon. A damn demon. That's that, but you know what that is though, right, brothers? That's that Jesus juice. That's that Jesus juice. Jesus. How the fuck you gonna say I said, well, the letter J, the letter, just like you don't say in Spanish, you don't say Jesus, you say Jesus. What do that got to do with anything?